Hello guys, so last time you asked me if the Instagram followers are in order. So let's answer this question. This is one of my business Instagram profiles, Travel Inspires Us. You can follow it if you want. So let's go to followers and see if it's in order. The last follower I have on my list, so we don't know yet if it's in order, but the last one on the list is marcus.photography.travel. Let's see my notifications if he was the last person that followed me. And as you can see, marcus.photography.travel is the last person. Let's see, the second person is Daisy Ildizistmet. Let's see if she is the second one on the list. And yes, she is the second one. So as you can see, your followers are in order, but let's see your followings as well, if they are in order. Actually, you can choose the order of your followings. You can set it on default. You can set it on date followed latest, date followed earliest. So this way you can find any of the people that you are following. I hope this video was helpful. Please do subscribe if you think it was, and see you in the next one. Thank you.